weekly stream recordings for all of the charts and looks here, so let's get going. Since the last week I will go from this charting stuff. I will not do this from naked, but we have this higher time from last pull down fibs, so the main level is here 236, which we marked at 27.5, 27.9, and then we had this really important resistance to flip for another pending move up, and sadly that did not happen. Okay, and now our key weekly area from the last pull is this level, which we have multiple support and fib confluence as talked in the last stream. So let's just check the indicators. We have this weekly RSI, which you see here is kind of a support level from 50 to 55. So a higher low even in the CMAs on the weekly would be good, bullish. And we have the OBV, which is kind of going sideways. Okay, so the OBV shouldn't lose 4.4 this support here. Actually, if it kind of bounce from here, that would be really good. If it loses it, then volume will drop and price accordingly. The stochastic on the weekly is bear crossed, but still all above 50, so it's still in bullish territory, so that's not that bad, all bad. It's Monday, so the weekly close was negative, and looking at volume, it's still negative, but not as totally bad. Okay, let's go down to the daily. Okay, let's check out first PA on the daily. Well, last few days over the weekend, we actually had only sideways chop. Okay, sideways chop, and judging from here, we can kind of say that 29K or this low at 28.8 is not the one to lose. So 28.8 would be like support to hold. Okay, and let's take out some EMAs, and VPR doesn't show much, but as we take the EMAs, we see actually this 55 band with cloud is holding price. Okay, so that's just sideways chop, not much to say. And here we have well, possibility if we even get a spike down, let's say to 28.7, we could have a stochastic bull divergence, come here. There will be a higher high with a lower low in price, and RSI would not follow as much. Actually, RSI is not giving us a clean bull picture on the daily, but the OBV is kind of still flat sideways with volume. So now let's take these off, and we said on the weekly this is a clear level we want to play from, 28, and we see it's the low of the cloud. But let's see what the fibs from this last move tell us. Okay, so we take the low to the high, and the fib pool gives us, you see, so the 382 fib is holding as support along with the 55 EMA, which is good, but we really want to clear this heavy resistance area of 30K and 236 fib for any sharp moves up. So so we have these fibs. Let's go down to the 4-hour and try check some type of Elliott wave count. It's getting kind of messy, but please bear with me. Okay, so this was a down move, and this was a distribution pattern. Okay, And now after this distribution pattern we need some type of accumulation for price to go up again. So on the 4 hour I take this as a 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. This could everything be like a fourth wave, which can even way come down to the 618 area here. It shouldn't lose this support to the EV count. And if you can see, the resistance we talked about is pretty clean even with the EMAs. So on the 4 hour, what do we need for the bulls? We need this area 29.5 flipping to support, holding, and then a volume push to break above. Do we have momentum behind us? Kind of not, but it's not bearish, so momentum wise everything's possible. So it's a no man's land, honestly. Taking a long here with tight stops, it could work out, but it's risky. Shorting down to 28.7 and lower, yeah, if we know that this turned to resistance. Okay, this breaks, retests, rejects, short down. This breaks, turns to support, scalp long to here, and then hopefully higher. What am I leaning to? I'm leaning to, personally, it's easier to go down and then go up than to just start pumping, but that's preference I will not bet big money on. If I see a break of this support and a resistance with a rejection, I will scalp short down at these levels. So anywhere in between 25.8 and 28, I want to see how it plays, and I will search for altcoins to get some higher time frame altcoins to load, and then to possibly play mid to end of August some type of bigger moves, hopefully. Okay, hope you enjoyed the stream. It was short because actually not much is happening. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll continue later. Have a good week, guys. Enjoy. Bye.